Adam here. I'm back. I've been away for 2 weeks. I went to Disneyland with my daughter and family, but I am back now. We're moving on today to Module 4, Lesson 3. We're going to cover how to set up the optimism network in Metamask. Obviously, last episode we covered how to set up Polygon with Ethereum and bridge assets, etc. So let's show you how this nice simple one, how to add the optimism network to your Metamask. So it's nice and simple. So all you're going to do, you're going to go to Metamask, and let me just delete that because I already got it added in here. Bear with me. Why is that added in there? Sorry guys, apologies. Okay, let's delete that a minute and let's re-add it in. Okay, so nice and simple. All you need to do, you need to go to add new network, and then we're going to pull up the details. So the details for the optimism network, so it's optimism Ethereum. Let's go back there, and we're just going to paste that in, and then we'll go back, just pull up all the details, and this will allow you access then to the optimism chain. So obviously you're able to use layer 2 solutions on your MetaMask. Because obviously, like I've said in previous videos, if you're on Ethereum, obviously the gas fees are ridiculously high. So obviously, unless you've got quite a bit of ETH involved, obviously there's a lot less involved. So it's always better if you can use layer 2 solutions as well, where you can. Obviously, you'll save money in gas fees, etc. So we've added the optimism network. Now you can see here now, so I've got the Ethereum and optimism. Next episode, I'll take you through how to add the Binance Smart Chain. So why would I want optimism network? So like I said, it's a layer 2 solution. Give an example now. So synthetics.io. Let me go to my other browser. So synthetics.io, for example, right? Let me just lock my wallet a minute. So synthetics.io, I'd come here, for example, I'd go on staking, and then it's asking me then to connect my MetaMask. So I'll connect my MetaMask. And then obviously it's picked up my wallet. Now if I wasn't, let me just disconnect there. So for example, now you click on not connect to MetaMask, and obviously it's picking up my wallet. And you see that I got a little balance in this address. So my stake value is 1,300. My earning yield is 71%. Active debt. So I'd come on here every week and I'd go to claim SNX, for example. You can see I got 4 SNX to claim. So for example, I click on, just pull this out the way for you guys. So for example, I'd click on claim reward, and then you'd see then it asks me, but it's pulling up, if you see there, it's pulling up the optimism network, because we're using the optimism network to do it. Now, if we were doing this for Ethereum during high times, like I said, you could be looking at hundreds of dollars in gas, maybe even higher. So obviously the beauty of using layer 2 is that you can carry on staking in any yield and claiming your rewards without incurring high gas fees like you are. The gas fee here is 25 cents. So obviously that is the beauty of using layer 2 to obviously save on the gas fees. So obviously you have got to be careful though. So I'll give an example. On my SNX wallet, where I go to, let me pull that out the way again for you. So pull that up there. So when I go to staking, for example, like I would go to, you'd mint your SUSD to obviously keep your collateral up and allow you to stake after you claim. And obviously you've got to check your burn collateral as well. Because if your burn collateral is not like, you'll get self liquidated. So you have really got to be careful. So you're saying here, keep the ratio above 400%. Now I have been guilty of this before. I made a mistake. I didn't come on it for weeks. I was busy with work. I totally forgot about it. Obviously it just happens, like I said, I lost my ATIC as well, it's just one of those things, and I didn't come and claim, and I actually lost 2/3 of my SNX. I had over 1,000 SNX, so obviously I've lost a bit of SNX. It is what it is, I accept the risk when I'm in crypto, but ultimately, I've got other funds elsewhere, and I prioritize the obviously high priority stuff and the high income generating stuff before the smaller stuff. So, just a little lesson there for you. Always make sure you're coming in weekly and reclaiming, moving out your balance correctly and keeping your collateral up. So this is nice and simple though for this. Like you just come on home, mint, trade, staking. You can bridge as well, wallet. So you can see kind of what's here, what's being staked, etc. So SNX is a token, just to give you an idea. So what's it now trading at $4.2? I think on the high it was $28. Yeah, $28. So we're pretty low right now. I think the lowest we've been in the last year is just under $2. I think $1.56. So we're pretty much towards the lows. Obviously, the all-time low is like 3 cents, but obviously that was when the token came out. So just something to think about, guys. But yeah, again, nice and simple. That's how you add optimism networking. You'd use it for other stuff as well, but just use SNX as an example. I'll take you through the Binance Smart Chain tomorrow, which is a much more popular one, like Polygon. And I hope that helps. So that was Module 4, Lesson 3. We're moving to Module 4, Lesson 4 tomorrow. And we'll pick it up every day now, guys. I'm back. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. Comment below if you've got any questions. And I'll catch you tomorrow. Cheers, guys.